Hello, students. It's Miss Henderson. Today we are going to do exercise 2. And you should have already, in the Canvas assignment, downloaded the blue square called example 1. And you are going to go to the new Pixlr E. So you're going to go to pixlr.com/E, or you can just go to pixlr.com and pick the E right here at the top. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click Open Image. And remember, this picture is in your Downloads folder, and I always encourage you to move your files from your Downloads to your Photography folder, so everything is in a neat little spot. So you're going to open the image of example 1. So once that file opens, it's going to be there. Now, if we read the instructions, we are going to increase the width only, not the height. We're not making the canvas big on height and width. We're just doing width. Okay. So what am I going to do is I'm going to do image canvas size. So I'm not moving the blue square. I'm just moving the background. And I'm going to put 960 pixels. And I'm going to anchor the blue square on the left-hand side so that the red square is going to be on the right. I want to create some blank space to the right. So boom, there it is. So there's 2 different ways to put red in this empty square. The first one is to draw a marquee and fill this space and then use the paint bucket to fill it. But what I found out is if you just pick the paint bucket and dump it in, it works. Now down here is your color selection, or sometimes we call it the color palette. And sometimes it defaults to white. So you want to move it over here and pick a nice red. You don't want too much of a vibrant red unless you want it to really vibrate your eyeballs. All right, so make sure you've picked the fill tool, which I call the paint bucket. And then you're going to drag the tool over here to the empty area, this transparent part. That's what this little waffle checkerboard pattern is. It means it's transparent. And you're just going to click with your mouse. I gave one mouse click, and it made it red. So what we are doing is we just learned how to make the canvas bigger, just width and not height, and how to use the paint bucket tool to make another color, make the canvas a different color. And I am all right here on one layer. I am done. So I'm going to go over here to File Save, because remember, it doesn't save it automatically. This is not like Google Docs. And I never want to overwrite the original file name. You never want to do that. So you want to call it like example 1, done. But you know what? This is exercise 2. So I'm going to call this exercise 2. And that way, when I upload it to Canvas, I'll know exactly what file to do. All right, so now I'm going to hit download, and this is going to go into my downloads folder. And right now, because of our internet and lagging, it does a little countdown here. So you don't want to close the program until you make sure that you've downloaded the file. All right, now I am done, and all I have to do now is go to my Canvas assignment, go to exercise 2, and upload my file, and I'm done. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.